Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class. We have started chapter 3 and 3 questions already we have done. Now we'll continue fourth question of the same exercise 3.1. So complete your notebooks first. I have already told in my last lecture, complete your notebooks, make a PDF and send it to me on my contact number so that I can check your notebooks. So we'll continue question number 4. Find the value. Already addition you have done with the same process, converting into light decimal. So there are 3 maximum digits in decimal part. 8.752 minus 4.9. There is only one digit, so by using 2 zeros we will convert into light decimal. Now again by using column method you can subtract it. 900 sign of negative. So 2 5 17 minus 9 8 7 4 3. So answer is 3.852. This is the answer. Second part same as this question. So third part, here we have given only whole number. So 100 we are using decimal. Maximum digits we have 2 in decimal part. So we'll use 2 zeros in decimal part minus 36.48. So convert into column method. 36.48. Then subtract them. 10, 8, 2, 9, 5. Then 9, 3, again 9, 6. So 63.52. This is the answer. Very simple. Just you have to convert into light decimals. Very simple addition and subtraction. Now we'll start question number 5. Simplify. Fifth question. Simplify. So first part of the fifth question, it is 68.5 minus 21.45 plus 26.2 minus 13.46. So now it's your wish whether you can solve it directly 68.5 and in this way, or you can do it stepwise arranging column method. So it will be easier for you if you arrange in column method. So 68.5, first of all convert into light decimal. This is your first point. Maximum digits we have 2. 0 minus 21.45 plus 26 point again 20 13.46. 68.50 minus 21.45. So subtract it. 5, then 0 7 4. Now add to 26.20 in this term. So 26.20, it is positive. 5 2.37. Now again next step is missing. 73.25, 13.46. Now it is subtraction. 15 minus 6, 9, 11, 4 minus 4, 7 point, 12 minus 3, 9, then 6 minus 1, 5, 59.7. This is the answer. So now we'll continue the second part of the same question. Second part, is 6.6 plus 23.8 minus 0.99. Simple question. First of all, convert into like decimal, then in first step you will add them, then in the answer you will subtract from the answer. Then third part again simple, by converting into decimal you can solve it. So we are going to start now fourth part. Very simple is there, but still we are doing 2.5307 plus 3.1. So our first step is converting like decimal. So we have 4 digits now in decimal part, maximum 4 digits. So we should have 4 digits in each term. 6.0000 minus 2.5307 plus 3.1000. Now we have converted into like decimal. Again stepwise, 6.0000 minus 2.5307. 10 minus 7, 3, then 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, then 5, 3. Now in the same step we'll add this number, 3.4693, 3.1000 plus 396.6. So this is the answer, 5693. Now 2 parts you can do. Now we are going to start 6th question, arranging ascending order. Very simple. I think you have done in previous class the same question. Question number 6, arrange in ascending order. First part, 4.6, 0.22, 24.13, then 20.05. So again same, we have to compare them, which is greater. We have to convert again into like decimal. So maximum digits we have 2, 2, 2. So only in this term we have only 1 digit. So 4.60, 0.22, 24.13, 20.05. So in ascending order we have to take smaller number first. First of all we'll take smallest number, then next greater, then again greater, last greatest. So in these 4 terms, which is smallest? So first of all we'll check whole number, 4, 0, 24, this. So we have 0 whole number, so this number is smallest. 0 ascending order, 0.22. Then we have taken this number. Now rest 3 numbers. Again, which is smaller? This number is smaller, 4.60. Then in these two terms, this number is smaller, 20.05. Then last, 34.13. This is the answer. So second part of the same question, you can do it yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.